Okay, so a quick video to show how I put this box together. It's really simple and it doesn't need any glue. All you need is the right shape. So I have these score lines on the bottom. I'm just going to fold each side up where I scored it. Then for each of the corners, I put each half of the heart back to back. Then I push on the side that wasn't slit, and so they slide past each other and link together. So you just do that on all of the sides. So push on the side that doesn't have the slit and pull them past each other, and they link together. Put it back to back, push on the side that doesn't have the slit, slide them past each other, and they link together. Then for the top, I'm going to just fold on the score lines again, fold each side down. And bring them each back up. And then I'm just tucking in the lower side underneath the higher side and pushing them together. And that's all that it takes, no glue.